In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import stock financial data into Google Sheets using a simple method that avoids manual copy-paste and gives you clean, ready-to-use data. Start by getting your data source. Open your browser and go to MarketWatch. Use the search bar to find the stock you want by typing its company name or ticker symbol. Once you're on the stock page, look for the historical quotes section. This is where you'll find detailed price data like open, close, high, low, and volume across different dates. Next, download the data. Find the option that says Download Data CSV and click it. This will save a CSV file to your computer, which is essentially a structured table of stock data. Now switch to Google Sheets. Open a new spreadsheet, go to the File menu and choose Import. Upload the CSV file you just downloaded. After importing, your data will appear neatly organized into rows and columns. From here, you can sort by date, filter values, or run calculations based on your needs. If you want to visualize the data, select the data set, go to Insert and choose Chart. This helps you quickly analyze trends like price movement over time. That's it. You now have stock financial data inside your sheet ready for analysis, tracking, or building your own dashboards.